The Bengtson Center is really establishing itself as a center of excellence for a number of different technologies, including NeoGraft. NeoGraft is a very cool technology. It's called follicular unit extraction. And what it does, it isolates individual hair follicles in groups of 1 to 3 and actually harvests those hairs without a scar from the back of the head. And then we transfer those to different areas of the front of the head or the apex of the scalp, wherever patients are looking for a restoration there. One of the challenges with hair restoration is not everyone is a candidate, particularly initially. And for the younger patient, a lot of the times it's actually about maintaining the hair growth versus actually restoration of hair growth. Hair transplants not just for men. About 15 to 20% of our patients are women. We can transplant anywhere from 1 to 3,000 hair follicles in one setting. Recovery is relatively fast. You have to kind of wear a hat or cap for about a week or so. You can get some swelling in the front of the eyes for a few days, but the reality is it's really about a week or so recovery. The technology grafting these individual follicles is really remarkable.